Right, so this is quite possibly one of the simplest triggers that I've ever come across. It's a variation of one of Leonard Maskell's trap triggers, or traps, whatever, but it's slightly different. So what I'll do, I'll put a picture now of the trap so you can see it. So as you can see, his trap was, it's supposed to be a box with a slide in front, and that is the trigger. You could do it with a normal branch with a little bit sticking out. Really simple, but the only thing is you have to have a box or some sort of trap, and the front has to be straight. So this may not work with a shopping basket unless you change it a bit more, but I'm going to do a video about that later. Or this would work fine with any box with a slide-in front on it. So I'll try and rig this up so you can see it easily. So I've done it with this box. Probably be better with a wooden box, or you know, a metal cage. But like I said, the front has to be flat or straight like that. And essentially, all you do is on the end of this, you put the bait on this pointed end, and then from the inside you prop the cage up, or whatever it is you've got, just like that. You can see it there, and being a see-through cage, you can see it clearly where it is, how it lays. So bait on the end there, and that's how it's held up. And then the animal, this is a good thing about it, the animal will have to come right inside and be right in there to get that. So by far one of the simplest triggers ever, but like I said, this front part has got to be straight. I tried it with the other type of cage, the shopping basket, where the sides are slanted, and you have to have the stick really badly slanted. So the option would be is you get a stick with a side branch, cut it to this fashion, but have the side branch sticking out towards inside of the trap. So essentially the idea is your bait is on the end of that there. Animal comes in, it's got to come right inside the cage to get to it, and as it pulls it this way, it obviously dislodges it. So simple to set up, simple to make as well. It goes off relatively easily. I may be able to actually try this one on a mouse. So a really nice simple trigger. This slight curve helps because it gets it away from the side of the box. But I think on Maskell's one he did, on the picture it's dead straight, and that probably will encourage the animal to get right up there and pull it more away anyway. So it doesn't actually matter if it's straight, but that's the way I thought about doing it. So nice and simple, you know, just pick that up. But like I said, it's got to have a flat face in front, so it would work good with a box or slid down or things like this. If I get a chance, I'll see if I can charge the batteries up on the trail cam, see if I can set it up in the garden or somewhere in the shed, and see if I can actually get a mice using this, or mouse. Right, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.